Another beautiful day starts with my lovely friends. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my new vlogs. This is sort of continuation from my previous vlog. I would like to tell you one thing. It's a big update for me. We have qualified our regionals now. We are going for nationals. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, please go watch my previous vlog. I will mention somewhere here. For this time, we are going to London and I'm pretty excited. I'm out of words. Like, this is sort of journey towards World Cup. So let's see how it goes. This is like bigger from what we did last time, so I'm pretty excited for this. Sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the vlogs. I will see you guys once I'm ready. Like, I'm almost ready right now, just need to suit up. So alright, I'm ready and we are about to board our bus. We are on time, fortunately. So this is what we are wearing. We all are trying to sync here. We're gonna... Yeah, man. For my channel, please subscribe. Yeah. Sorry for the interruption. You know, subscribers, they just pop up anytime they want. Just kidding. We are about to board a bus and let's see how it goes. I'm pretty much excited and I have to rehearse. See you in London. So our stop, London Victoria. We are here and we are taking a quick break because we have time to reach. I didn't mention where we are going. So we are going to Excel London. So it's a big place. We have to reach there by 1:30, so it's already 11 now. We don't have to rush, we have time. And also I have to rehearse. See you next time. So this guy is like chanting, drop in the ocean, drop in the ocean, drop in the ocean, drop in the ocean.
Give me the question, give me the question.
About, like for Q&A we are relying on you, Joel. I just called it Joel. Joel. Okay, so here we are at Excel and this is our station exit and we'll be entering Excel London directly, and I can already see all the university students who are also participating. Why do I sound like a fucking RJ right now? Brick City attitude, always improving. East Coast, West Coast, both sides grooving. Microphones, mad beats ain't losing. Backpack full of verses, spit it ruthless. 90s spirit carried on true and toothless. 90s spirit carried on true and toothless. 90s spirit carried on true and toothless. Quick update, I'm a bit nervous now because I see a lot of university and they're so well prepared. They've been practicing and I'm like, man, we need to do that again. So that because of that peer pressure, we are out here and we're gonna practice and we're gonna take some vitamin D here. It's cold, but also it's summer for UK, so it's a bit complex, you know. He is fantasizing about this beautiful car here. And like, just look at this massive wheel, man. Like, just look at the curves. Wow. The edges, like, sushi sharp, man. Like, they will kick us out, man. Let's leave. So they are all here for top 20. And I am like pumping up right now, but as well I'm just getting anxious between the crowd because there are a lot of people, a lot of participants. Teams are just getting bigger and I'm kind of freaking out right now. So yeah.
And well, next to that, pretty clever. So yeah, both are away, couple roughly evening. Look at that competition and get the point and go.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are Enantis As, and we're excited to present our two trotters, Drop in the Ocean and Chancellor Cheech, here today.
Drop in the Ocean's journey began in 2017 when one of our team members saw him morning canal walks with canal and river trust. We started with the ASIC community, focusing on connecting them to the canals and fostering an appreciation for their historical and environmental significance.
In 2025, Drop in the Ocean returned with a renewed focus on community well-being and environmental impact.
Talking about the finance, they ensure Drop in the Ocean remain cost-effective by using minimum funding and maximizing available resources. So I'm gonna ask how was their experience. Let's see if they are still in their main character mode. How was their experience?
I can't even explain you about what I felt on the stage. Seriously, I'm so excited for tomorrow's result.
That was so confusing. How was your experience?
Let's not talk about it. No, it was good. Except for the fact that my entire body was shaking, and at one point I was gonna fall on Akash.
Heels.
The heels, no, actually the heels were helpful because they kept me up straight. Because if I didn't have the heels, my legs were.
No, seriously, you nailed it. You nailed it. Main character. How did you deal with that?
How did I deal with you guys?
No.
Well, it was a lovely experience, and this is my second time doing it, and I really enjoyed doing it with you guys. And I think we, in Gen Z terms, we slayed 10 on 10.
Be loud, Kritika.
I am loud, okay?
The experience was amazing, especially with a team like this. Everyone was just amazing and we all performed very well.
And the boy, the man who creates all the drama here. Will you stand with us?
The experience was great. I was shivering by the end of it. My heart was like beating out of my chest like that. Okay, but the thing is, I think we nailed it. We had a great time, you know. So I'm really excited for tomorrow. Hopefully we get through.
We need to like sync our outfit for tomorrow as well. So let's hope for the best. जिसके बिना presentations नहीं आती. How was your experience, Viplav?
Okay, so pragmatically, happiness is a choice, and today we and actors Ashton are really happy to celebrate every moment.
Pragmatism क्या होता है? Alright, so first round is officially ended. Like in one room we competed with 6 to 7 universities. The weather today is too bright. It's too sunny here. So we are supposed to click some pictures. Like best thing about today is like the location. They conducted this event in a very beautiful location. Let me just show you this pretty view. Just check that out. I'm telling you one thing honestly, I have never seen a cruise like this close. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं टावर ब्रिज के पास and plan ये था that we want to spot sunset, but we are already running out of time. The view is sick right now. Let me show you. अरे काफ़ी अच्छी खासी बड़ी क्रूज भी आ रखी है. I'm so tired. Actually मैं सोया नहीं हूँ यार कल से. I'm very exhausted. It's all worth it because it's London baby. Okay, so I'm back here after almost 1 year. कौन से 1 year? मैं आया था जून में आया था. मैं आया था यहाँ पे रात के टाइम पे. इस बार सनसेट के टाइम पे आ रहा हूँ, so it's completely different. गर्मियों में भी यहाँ पे ठंड रहती है. The weather is really weird here. I think I'm gonna revisiting here again tomorrow or maybe day after as well. Tomorrow we have one more event that we need to attend, and after that we're gonna chill out and hang out with teammates. आज अपने दोस्त के साथ थोड़ा सा chill करेंगे. This is it. I'll see you guys on next set. We are doing some photo shoots. Sounds great. थोड़ा formals पहना तो फिर photo shoot